Hey there, little helpers! Are you ready to lend a hand and make a difference at home? Today, we'll explore 20 household chores that you can tackle like superheroes. Let's dive in! Welcome to our household chores adventure! I'm thrilled to show you some fun and helpful tasks you can do to contribute to your family. Are you ready to be awesome helpers? Let's do this! Making the bed. Start your day off right by making your bed. Pull up the sheets, fluff the pillows, and smooth out the blankets to create a cozy and inviting space. Setting the table. Help prepare for mealtime by setting the table. Place plates, utensils, napkins, and glasses in their proper spots to get ready for a delicious family meal. Clearing the table. After the meal, lend a hand by clearing the table. Gather dishes, scrape off leftovers, and stack everything neatly for washing or loading into the dishwasher. Washing dishes. Get your hands sudsy and help wash the dishes. Scrub plates, glasses, and silverware clean, then rinse and dry them for sparkling results. Sweeping the floor. Grab a broom and sweep away crumbs and dirt from the kitchen floor. Work in small sections, moving dirt toward a dustpan for easy cleanup. Mopping the floor. After sweeping, give the floor a good mopping. Dip a mop in soapy water, wring it out, and glide it across the floor for a fresh and shiny finish. Taking out the trash. Help keep your home tidy by taking out the trash. Gather garbage bags from around the house and carry them outside to the trash bin. Folding clothes. After the laundry is done, lend a hand by folding clothes. Match socks, fold shirts and pants neatly, and stack them in piles for easy putting away. Watering plants. Become a green thumb by watering indoor plants. Use a watering can or spray bottle to give plants a drink and keep them thriving. Dusting furniture. Grab a duster and banish dust from furniture surfaces. Wipe down tables, shelves, and knickknacks to keep your home looking clean and tidy. Vacuuming. Take charge of the vacuum cleaner and tackle carpets and rugs. Push the vacuum back and forth, covering every inch for a spotless finish. Mows the lawn. Mowing the lawn involves using a lawnmower to trim the grass to a uniform height, creating a neat and tidy appearance for the yard. Cooked dinner. Cooking dinner involves preparing a delicious and nutritious meal for the family to enjoy. It requires creativity, culinary skills, and the ability to follow recipes or improvise with ingredients on hand. Rakes the leaves. Raking the leaves involves using a rake to gather fallen leaves into piles for disposal or composting. It's a seasonal chore that helps keep the yard clean and prevents leaves from suffocating the grass. Iron the clothes. Ironing clothes involves using a clothes iron to remove wrinkles and creases from fabric, ensuring that garments look neat and presentable. Sort the recycling. Sorting recycling involves separating recyclable materials such as paper, plastic, glass, and metal from non-recyclable waste. Wash the car. Washing the car involves cleaning the exterior and interior surfaces of a vehicle to remove dirt, dust, and grime. It's a task that requires soap, water, and elbow grease to achieve a sparkling finish. Scrub the bathtub. Scrubbing the bathtub involves using cleaning products and a scrub brush to remove soap scum, mildew, and stains from the bathtub surface. Fix the faucet. Fixing the faucet involves repairing or replacing components of a leaky or malfunctioning faucet to restore proper function. Feeds the pet. Feeding the pet involves providing food and water to pets such as dogs, cats, or small animals according to their dietary needs and schedule. Change the bulbs. Changing bulbs involves replacing burnt-out or inefficient light bulbs with new ones to ensure adequate lighting in indoor or outdoor spaces. Organize the closet. Organizing the closet involves decluttering, arranging, and categorizing clothing, shoes, and accessories to maximize storage space and accessibility. Paint the walls. Painting the walls involves applying paint to interior or exterior surfaces to refresh or change the color scheme of a room or building. Weed the garden. Weeding the garden involves removing unwanted plants or weeds from flower beds, vegetable patches, or landscaping areas. Trim bushes. Trimming bushes involves pruning or shaping shrubs and hedges to maintain their size, shape, and health. That was a lot of chores, but we did it! By helping out with household tasks, you're not only making your home cleaner and tidier but also showing love and appreciation for your family. Keep up the fantastic work, little helpers!
Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.